In this video, I will show you exactly how you can shuffle Apple Music on iPhone. Now, imagine that you don't want to know exactly which song comes after the one that you're listening to, and instead you want to get surprised every time. Now, this is exactly what I want to show you right now. So, of course, locate the Apple Music and get inside. Now, as you can see, I am inside of this playlist. It doesn't matter, it's just an example, but I'm going to play one song from it, and it depends on where you are. If you are in the main section, this can be the case, or you can be inside of the lyrics. Doesn't matter, but I want you to get and click on the bottom option on the right. You can see it right here with the 3 lines right here. And once you get inside, you can browse through all of the songs in here. That's okay. But you have some options here as well. So you have the icon here, and here, but the first one is shuffle. So as you can see, it physically just reshuffled the app, the music, the songs, the tracks, as you can see here. So if you re-click it, a different order again, or click it one more time, another order of the songs. So that's how it works. Now, if I just get outside in here and hit play, the songs are going to be in that shuffled order. So yeah, you may remember those and be like that, or just click it, don't even look, and just get outside and the songs are going to be shuffled. So that's very useful. Of course, you can repeat the shuffle if you want, or after all the songs are being played, then you can of course just repeat the entire process again if you want to by clicking on the button on the right. So that's an option as well. Or you can just grab the songs like this and reorganize them as much as you want. So you may just click on shuffle and you don't like the exact order, so you can just grab this song and put it as the 6th one or 7th, whatever. So yeah, that's an option as well, but that's basically how you can do it, and that's how you can shuffle music. If you want to repeat, there are 3 modes for the repeat. Right now the mode is turn off, or repeat the entire playlist. And if I click it one more time, a little number 1 appeared there, and this basically means that only one song is going to be repeated. So these are the options for repetition, but that's basically everything for shuffling the music. However, I need to show you one more thing which I've been working on. If you click the link down below in the description, you will be able to access the free educational platform called Foxtecc. As I said, you can join it for free, and inside you can find iPhone apps explained, like in-depth guides for iPhone apps, like video editing courses. You can even find other people who are learning about their devices as well. So definitely try it out and see if it's for you. And yeah, definitely join. I will see you inside. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later. And also subscribe to the Foxtecc so you never miss future tutorials and videos like this one. See you guys later.